Filmora has a lot of features, and this video editor is not only for editing a video, but this tool can also be used to record your computer screen, so you don't have to manually download and then install a third-party screen recorder just to get or capture the video of your computer screen. So if you want to use the screen recorder on Filmora, you can navigate to the file menu, and then you want to navigate to record media and then click record PC screen. And after that, it will bring you this window. So this is basically an additional tool from Filmora. It's called Wondershare Screen Recorder. And you can see here there are plenty of settings that we can apply before we start recording the computer screen. So right now you can see that there is an option to change the resolution. You can select custom or even a target window. If you have a window or let's say a program that you want to record, then you can definitely use that mode. But there is also an option to enable or disable microphone. If you want to make sure that your audio or your voice is audible, then you can enable this option, and you can also select the device that you want to use. And there is system audio as well. This is essentially just the audio that's coming from your computer. And then lastly, there is an option to enable or use webcam, which I think very useful in some cases. But for now, I'm going to disable it. And also you can select the monitor because there could be multiple monitors on your computer. In my case, I do have a multi-monitor setup, and that's why I do see this option. But if you only have one monitor, then you are going to see only one option. But that's okay. And after that, you can open settings, and this is where you can fine-tune the settings of your screen recording using Filmora. So right now there is a recording mode. This is basically the two options that you have to choose, and I'm going to explain that a bit. The first option is basically you are going to record the computer monitor, and also it's going to record your webcam. But in this mode, the two videos are basically going to merge into one. And the second option is the opposite. So the webcam and the computer screen recording is not going to be merged together. They're going to be individual separate file, and the choice between the two really depends on how you would edit the video later. So it's really up to you, but the first option is, in my opinion, is a lot easier to manage, although it will have some limitations. Okay, now on the next setting that you can apply is the name of the video. You can set the name of the screen recording in advance, and also you can select the location of the video or where it should be stored on a computer, and then you can select the frame rate. There's also an option for quality of the video, and the countdown. This is basically just the countdown after you click the record button and until the video or the screen is being recorded. So I think 1 second is okay. And then you can also select how long the screen recording should be. If you have a specific time that you want to have, then you can just set it here and the video will automatically stop recording. And also here there is an option for, I think this section in particular is particularly useful for video recording. If you want, for video tutorial. If you want to create a tutorial video and you want to let the viewers know about what element or what area your cursor is interacting with, then you can enable this option. And then below it there is an option to enable or change the hotkey. This is the keyboard key that you can use to pause or resume the video or stop the recording. This I believe can be customized, and it's really up to you, but I personally not going to touch anything here. I think I'm going to be using the default setting. And lastly, there is GPU acceleration. This GPU acceleration is very useful if you have an NVIDIA or I think some AMD graphic card, because they can make the video a lot smoother. They're going to basically will be able to record much higher resolution and much higher quality. And I highly recommend to enable this option if available. And when you're done with the setting, you can click this button, or you can also use the hotkey to start recording, and it's going to start a countdown. And this is basically the screen recording is start. I can do anything here and everything will be recorded on the screen. Now if you want to stop, you can use the hotkey, but in my case I think I'm not going to use that because it happens to be the same as the other program that I use right now to record this video tutorial. So I guess I'm going to go back to Filmora, and then I'm going to open record media. And yeah, this is the mini tool that usually will appear, but sometimes it won't appear for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, sometimes it will appear, sometimes it won't. But basically this is where you can play around with the control. I can stop the video right now, and you can see there is a new video that I just recorded. This is the screen, and yeah, it looked like that. It's very simple and straightforward, and I think a lot of people are going to find good value of using Filmora screen recorder right in the program. So that's how you can utilize the screen recorder feature in Filmora. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.